This is the code that you are one came out.
You can tell this bitch is fast. You got the tires.
So you put them out the down? Definitely.
Fell over, he's like, oh shit.
Shelby.
They are now open for food. You can notify if you don't have a call.
Lake Nona for your hotel stays. Bar presented by West from Maryland and Cottage. Detail Express, Merchant, Liberty Orlando, Field Butterfly Orlando, Supercar Mindset, the Race Center, Express Law, Help South Orlando, Cardio, Your Moment,
All right, hope you guys enjoyed the footage from the Cars and Coffees over at Lake Nona. It was our first event of the year. It was a big turnout as usual. They have a cool way of setting up at a drive shack with the cars being in different sections and having the different manufacturers and different cars lined up. It's pretty cool. And as we were leaving, I kind of thought outside the box and wanted to go out towards the main road where the 417 entrance is at, because towards the main entrance where you come in, there's a lot of cops there and you can't really get a lot of cars leaving and making noise and, you know, doing all the things that you guys want to see on the camera. So instead I kind of walked down the road, and I got the idea from another YouTuber. He was recording, I guess, towards the end of the road. So I figured I'd give it a shot. I went down to 417 and just took some drive-by shots there. It's way better than, I guess, before when I was in front. Because, you know, when you pan around, it's kind of tough to do that. But overall, it was a good show, good turnout and good weather. It was kind of cold in the morning. Then towards the end of the meet, it was about mid-70s, which is good. So we look forward to 2025 shows. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. You'll see more of these videos coming again. I try to post weekly of the shows that I recently did, and also some shows from the previous weeks before. Sometimes I find footage that, you know, I just kind of put together and put on here to entertain you guys for shorts or for long-term videos. If you click the link down low, you'll see Lake Nona from the previous month in December, and also the Festival of Speed. That's like a highly viewed video. I'm gonna put it down in the description box as well so you guys could see it too. So I'm heading out of here, and I'll talk to you guys later. See ya.